Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will share how is the isometric setting on Autocad. Alright, get on with it. There are two settings. The first, we can go directly to this isometric icon. Click the triangle symbol. Three options will appear, including ISO plan left, ISO plan top, and ISO plan right. And the second way, you can do it by entering the ISO draft command. The display will appear like this, the same as before. We can choose ISO plan left, ISO plan top, and ISO plan right. Alright, you guys are doing well. Thank you.